Hey, what in the world is PMI and why do I have to have it? Hi, I'm Charlotte Mabry with Keller Williams Realty, and today we're going to talk about private mortgage insurance. What is it? Why do you need to have it? Before we get started though, if you got questions about buying a home, selling a home, we've got lots of information for you here in the midst of all the things in our video blog. Just look below, there are a couple of buttons you can click on and get more information. So what is that PMI thing and why in the world do you have to have it? It's actually an insurance policy that ensures your lender that you are not going to default on your loan, and the trick is you get to be the one to pay for it. That's why it's not so exciting, right? So anytime you put down less than 20% down, so if you put 3% down, 5% down, 10% down, they require, the lender requires that you have an insurance policy in place that ensures that, hey, you're not going to default on this loan. And so typically it costs you about $30 to $70 a month for every $100,000 that you have borrowed. So there's some additional costs there. So keep that in mind when you're budgeting for a home loan where you are putting less than 20% down. Now the good news is if you are a veteran, number one, we really appreciate you, but number two, a VA loan does not require private mortgage insurance, and you can get a 100% loan as a veteran. So if that's something of interest to you and you're a veteran, you're in luck. That'll help you stay away from that. There are creative loan ways to do things by getting an 80% loan, maybe adding a 10% second mortgage and getting some other monies. It's hard to find those loan products today. Back in the day when loans were probably not done appropriately, you could find that sort of thing. Today, more than likely, you're going to be looking at paying private mortgage insurance. Good news is you can get rid of it along the way. Once your home appraises for at least 80% of the value of your loan, your loan is down to 80% of the value of your home, it's what I meant to say, you can drop private mortgage insurance off. So let's say, for example, you have a $200,000 home and a $160,000 loan on that. Your loan has now gotten down to 80% of your home's value. That $160,000 loan is 80% of your home's value. You can call your lender and say, hey, I want to drop this private mortgage insurance. They'll send an appraiser out to confirm it, and then at that point they will remove that payment from your monthly mortgage payment. So it's important to keep up with your home's value, and that's where we come in. At any time, if you'd like to know more of what your home's worth in today's market, just send me an email, charlotte@charlottemabryteam.com. I'll be more than delighted to get you just a quick update on your home's value in today's market. Hope that answers the PMI question, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Thanks for watching our video blog.